Act as best scriptwriter and change the script so it won't match with original one. Make it spin the content. And remove any channel name if there. Write the description of around 8,000 words. Remove timestamps. 53. Garmin Forerunner 970, the last 900 series before the 975 watch. YouTube, https www.youtube.com/watch. VGIW 917 tra H transcript. Idropa 0. Garmin is gearing up to change the fitness smartwatch game once again. While there has been no official announcement, recent clues have stirred excitement in the tech and fitness world. Garmin, a name trusted by athletes and outdoor lovers for its rugged, reliable GPS watches, appears to be on the edge of launching a new model, one that many fans have been eagerly awaiting. 0.25. This mysterious new device is known as the Forerunner 970. The story began when Garmin's Taiwanese website quietly revealed a warranty campaign for a model called the Forerunner 970. This caught many off guard because the device doesn't officially exist yet. The listing sparked curiosity and speculation. Why would Garmin include an unreleased model in their official materials unless it was just around the corner? Adding fuel to the fire, recent FCC filings uncovered several new Garmin devices. G059. Among these, one model is drawing special attention. The paperwork hints at a next-generation fitness smartwatch packed with features. Many believe this could be the Forerunner 970 or something very close to it. It might even be part of a brand-new product line. To understand why the 970 matters, we need to look back at Garmin's recent releases. 01-22. Over the last few years, Garmin refreshed its Forerunner lineup with models like the 255 and 955, followed by the 265 and 965. These watches brought improvements in fitness tracking, battery, life, and smart features. But in the fast-moving world of wearables, 2 years between updates can feel like a lifetime. The competition is fierce with rivals pushing updates faster and introducing innovative features, or 148. Fans and experts have long expected Garmin to follow the natural sequence with a Forerunner 275 and 975. Rumors about the 975 have been circulating for months, suggesting it might launch soon. However, this new warranty leak hints that Garmin could be changing its strategy. Instead of unveiling the 975 first, the 970 might arrive earlier as a kind of teaser or an alternative. 02.15. Think of the Forerunner 970 as the younger sibling to the 975. It may not have every single high-end feature, but it promises to offer solid performance, perhaps at a slightly lower price point. This approach could appeal to runners, cyclists, and casual fitness enthusiasts who want a reliable smartwatch without all the bells and whistles designed for professional triathletes. 0239. One can imagine the 970 with a fresh new design, sleeker, lighter, and optimized for comfort during workouts. Maybe it will include new sensors to track health and activity even better. It could come with an updated user interface that's more intuitive and easier to navigate on the go. Battery life might see improvements as well, giving users more hours of tracking between charges. 3.02. Garmin has built a strong reputation for making watches that can withstand tough conditions. Whether you're running through city streets or hiking in remote wilderness, their devices are known for durability and precision. The 970 might continue that tradition with water resistance and rugged build quality. The rumors also suggest Garmin could be shifting its naming and product release strategy to be more flexible. 0326. Instead of strictly following numerical order, they might release watches targeting specific market segments or use cases. This would help Garmin adapt better to user demands and market competition. It's also important to note that there's no evidence the 275 or 975 models have been scrapped. 0344. It's very possible Garmin plans to release all three models strategically, spacing them out to maximize impact. The non-70 might be the first step in a wider product rollout, testing the waters before the big flagship release. So, what might the specs look like? Based on Garmin's history and the competition, the Forerunner 970 could feature cutting-edge GPS for precise tracking, 04.08. Enhanced heart rate sensors and V2 max monitoring could help athletes fine-tune their training. Garmin software often includes detailed metrics like recovery times, training load, and advanced sleep tracking, so we can expect those features to be refined further. This watch will likely support all the smart features Garmin users love, 0431. Smartphone notifications, music controls, Garmin Pay, and safety functions like incident detection integration. With Garmin Connect, we'll provide deep insights into fitness progress and allow users to join challenges and social groups. Who is the 970 for? Potentially, it will suit a broad range of users. Elite runners who want accurate tracking without the bulk might appreciate its lighter design. 0456. Weekend warriors looking for reliable fitness monitoring could find it a perfect fit. Even casual users wanting a solid all-around health watch with smart features might be drawn to it. Garmin faces stiff competition from brands like Apple, Fitbit, and Coros, but the Forerunner series stands out for its focus on durability, outdoor use, and detailed fitness metrics. 0522. If the 970 hits the sweet spot between price, performance, and features, it could be a serious contender in the market. While there are no official details about release dates or pricing, the presence of the 970 on official platforms suggests the launch may be sooner than later. Garmin tends to keep a tight lid on announcements, but leaks and FCC filings often give us a good heads up. 547. Fans are eagerly watching for any new info. There have been no leaked images or official teasers yet, so much remains a mystery. But given Garmin's track record, the Forerunner 970 is shaping up to be a noteworthy addition to their smartwatch lineup. In summary, the Forerunner 970 may represent a new direction for Garmin's fitness wearables, a watch that balances innovation with accessibility. 0613. It could bridge the gap between casual fitness users and serious athletes, delivering reliable performance in a sleek package. If Garmin delivers on the rumored features, improved design, enhanced sensors, smarter software, and solid battery life, the Forerunner 970 might become one of the most popular fitness smartwatches in its class. 0635. As always, it's wise to keep an eye on official Garmin announcements and trusted leaks for confirmation. Until then, speculation will continue, but the future looks bright for Garmin fans and fitness tech lovers alike. For those interested in upgrading or exploring Garmin's ecosystem, the 970 could offer a fresh choice with exciting possibilities. Thanks for watching. 0659. If you enjoyed this detailed dive into the Forerunner 970 rumors and speculation, please like and subscribe. Share your thoughts in the comments. What features are you hoping to see in Garmin's next big watch?